Good morning, guys. I don't think you can see me very well. I'll try to walk into some light here, but we are loaded up and ready to rock and roll, heading up to UWHARRIE National Forest to do some off-roading. I wanted to check in with you guys and obviously start this video out. This will be part one of a multiple series of uploading all kinds of off-roading videos. We've been building my Jeep Grand Cherokee for the past couple weeks now, and we are ready to take her up to the mountains and beat the crap out of her. So we'll see how she does. I will see you guys up at the Walmart where we're meeting with everybody else, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. We met up at the Walmart here at the north side of Jacksonville. We've got everybody loaded down. As you guys can see behind me, we've got Devin in a side-by-side. Town loaded up with the XJ, Huffman side-by-side, got the ZJ. We are ready to rock and roll. I'm not going to do too much filming on the drive up there because it's boring, and obviously you guys don't really care about that. We want a wheel, so I will check in with you guys when we stop for fuel or do whatever we got to do, and I'll see you guys up at UWHARRIE.
Come on!
UWHARRIE! All right, guys, so we have made it about 77 miles into South Carolina. We didn't even make it an hour into the trip, and I blew my driver's side rear tire. Of course, it was the one that had a self-tapping screw in it and the one that was patched. And I mean, when I say I had a blowout, I had a blowout. So unfortunately, that happened. Got my spare on here. We're gonna throw a little air into the spare and hope that we can make it the 3 hours and some change that we have left. Everything's been going fine and dandy aside from that. The lanes suck in frickin' South Carolina, but other than that, I can't complain. So far, so good. And now this guy with the boat just pulled up and I can't get air from my trailer. Ah, shit. We have made it safe and sound. We only had one issue, blowing out my freaking rear driver tire, but other than that, guys, we are golden. We are here. My truck, my Jeep, Talon's Jeep, Huffman's side by side, we're all here. Oh yeah, buddy. Everyone's getting their trail passes and getting everything squared away. We're gonna go up to the Falls Dam parking lot and download all our vehicles and then head to our campsite. What is going on, guys? We have made it to our campsite. Everyone is unpacked. Everyone's got all of their campsites set up. You guys can see Talon's back over here. Got Jack over here. Billy's over there. Devin's actually hiding way back there. All my local buddies from back home in North Carolina, they're up here. There's Jacob, trying to hide. You talk about Doghouse TV. There's some Doghouse TV. My boy Garrett, he came up. He's been wheeling for a while. My boy Cody, my boy Chase, everyone's up here. Everyone's having a blast. So I am super, super stoked to finally be up here and wheel this massive, hey, 919 4x4. Hey, that's a throwback. I'm so stoked to be able to take this thing out wheeling. It's been just kicking ass. It's just awesome out here. I had my tools loaded in the back, and that was a big mistake because I was just squatting so badly and it was just bottoming out every time I'd go over a water bar. But I've got to make this quick because they've got music in the background. We've already done one ride. I forgot to update it and film for you guys because I was so freaking excited. But we're gonna go do a night ride, so I might bring my GoPro out and film some of it. But tomorrow for sure we're gonna go up Daniel, and I'll be filming that whole run. So I will see you guys in probably about an hour, maybe two.
They haven't done wood probably since like the 80s.
That's sick. We're in a little bit of a traffic jam up here. My man's got a bent track bar here. Oh yeah? That's how you do it?
She's fine. We're gonna send it.
Send it. This thing's built, bro. It'll take whatever he throws at it. 5-speed too.
That's fine.
Yo, yo.
Yo. Welcome to the shit show.
Right?
hoping this off camera can happen.
You're good. You're good. Roll it. It's gonna go back up again. Just down. What? Roll it. I'm trying to go.
You want to come up over here, come up, go down, and ride that whole.
Bump it. Move your hand. Back up and bump it. That's rocker. Alright, alright. It's honestly, man, that rocker is catching you up. It's really that rocker, man. It's your passenger side. If you had a little more clearance, I think you might be able to make it. He's caught up on his hitch. He's caught up on his hitch.
Watch your foot. Oh, you're good, you're good. But I think you're on the strap.
Thank you, bro.
Oh no, buddy, what did you do? Where'd the tie rod go? Damn it.
What the fuck?
Man, some bullshit. Some bullshit. Alright.
Stabilizer and shit, man.
Yeah, dude, it's awful.
Stabilizer. Game. It's game over.
about to say, as soon as I saw my wheel go straight,
Yeah.
my steering wheel
I saw you
didn't
were
move.
like messing with it. I was like,
Uh-oh.
oh no, game over.
That's not right.
I got a big hammer.
Alright, well, I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but we'll figure something
Reach
out.
under the axle and winch it down.
Try. Alright guys, so unfortunately, no luck. We tried winching on it a couple times, down, outward, hooked up a cable out here, attached the tree over there, tried winching it the opposite way, no luck. So we're going to try to baby her down to the parking lot, and worst case, I will buy a V8 tie rod from the parts store, maybe tonight or tomorrow, and I'll try it again. We'll try for round 2. So I'll see you guys down at the parking lot.